Hey guys, today let's try to fix iPhone notification not working after the update. So if you are facing some issues, what you can actually do is just launch the control centers and double check if we have a specific focus session turned on. Now, if you do have a focus session turned on, so let's say you have your personal turned on, I'd like you guys to just go ahead and turn that off by tapping on that button once more. Now, that should solve your issue and show you some of your notifications already, but if in the case that it's still not solving your issue, I want you to go ahead and launch the settings application of your iOS device, and I want you to tap on notifications right here. Now make sure that you have notifications displayed as whichever one you prefer. Basically, this is just gonna appear on your notification bar or notification screen right here. But an issue with some of the applications not showing notifications, or if in the case that your iPhone notifications aren't showing, is maybe because you're just not connected to the internet, which is why it's not showing you a newer notifications since you are not connected. So you gotta also double check if you are connected to the internet and see if that is the issue. You could also go ahead and try your cell data instead of your Wi-Fi and see which one between the two is going to work better. Now, essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care.